In love, fear is like a thin fog, seemingly enveloping yet intangible and elusive. Many are blinded by this fog, forgetting the Taoist saying, "Those who fear are defeated by their own hearts. The brave overcome themselves." What truly hinders our progress is never the external difficulties, but our internal imagination of those difficulties. Fear is magnified, difficulties exaggerated, but in reality, they are often not as terrifying as they seem. Yet people habitually remain outside the fog, waiting for the sunshine. Forgetting sunshine can never penetrate the hearts of those who refuse to take a step. The road of life is neither a clear sky nor a calm sea. Every step is real and heavy. Every step is accompanied by the unknown. But Taoism tells us, the more arduous the place, the more natural the way. Because only by facing hardship can one truly see their own strength. You will find that fear is not the enemy, it merely reminds you. Your life is entering a new level. Your path is leading to a higher place. Fear is normal, but avoidance allows fear to grow teeth. Facing the head-on, however, shrinks it into a shadow. You don't need to be fearless all at once. You just need to be a little braver than yesterday. Take one step, and fear retreats a step. Take 2 steps, and difficulties will deter. When you persevere, you will see. The real enemy is simply the heart that doubts itself. Taoism speaks of fearlessness, not impulsiveness, but rather, it allows you to steadily and calmly move towards your future, not controlled by fear, nor intimidated by difficulties. Like water, gentle yet strong, quietly changing course when encountering obstacles, yet always heading towards the sea, never stopping. Everything you are experiencing now may frighten you, may unsettle you, but that is precisely love pushing you to grow. Are you willing to try not to run away even once? Try telling yourself, "I am afraid, but I will still move forward." When you say this, you are no longer bound by fear. Hardship is a mountain everyone must climb. No matter how high the mountain, someone will always climb it. No matter how far the road, someone will always reach the destination. And you, as long as you choose to persevere, will definitely be one of them. When you overcome your fear, you will suddenly understand. Those worries that kept you awake at night, those unknowns that made your heart race, those choices that made you hesitate, none of them truly harmed you. They merely helped you to be reborn, transformed, and grow. The most beautiful scenery in life is often hidden behind the most difficult part of the journey, just as the darkness before dawn is the deepest. But it is within that darkness that the birth of light is revealed. You may be walking in that darkness right now, but don't doubt it. Your light is already waiting ahead. Reaching the other side of victory is not the end, but a new beginning earned through your courage. A future that belongs to you, to your efforts, to your perseverance. Lift your head, take a breath. You are not alone. The path you are walking, countless people have walked, and countless people have reached. You will reach it too. As long as you are brave, as long as you don't back down, as long as you are not afraid of hardships. Life will one day take you to that other shore that belongs to you, a place where there is freedom, light, and the person you always wanted to be.